today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create SVG files to sell on Etsy. Creating SVG files can be a straightforward process, especially if you leverage the right tools. For our demonstration today, we'll be using Canva, which is an excellent vector design tool with plenty of user-friendly features. To get started, you'll first want to head over to canva.com. If you don't already have a pro account, don't worry. You can either log in with a pro account or start a free trial to access additional features that will aid in the creation of your SVG file. Once you're logged into Canva, your journey will begin by clicking on the Create a Design button. This acts as a gateway to a world of creative possibilities. For the optimal design experience, you'll want to choose custom size. A good starting point is 1000 by 1000 pixels, particularly because a square format tends to be ideal for most SVGs, ensuring compatibility across various platforms and devices. Designing your SVG file is where the fun truly starts. Make sure to stick to vector-friendly elements. In Canva, this means focusing on text, shapes, lines, and icons available under the Elements tab. These elements are crucial because they maintain quality when resized, which is the essence of a vector file. For the best outcome, aim to use flat colors and keep your designs simple. This ensures that your SVG maintains clarity and is appealing to potential buyers for purposes like cutting machine applications. When your design is ready and you're satisfied with how it looks, the next step is to click on the Share button located at the top right corner of the Canva interface. This will prompt a range of options, from which you'll select Download. Under File Type, choose SVG. SVGs are scalable and perfect for crafting, which makes them a valuable asset on sites like Etsy. If your design requires it, consider checking Transparent Background. This feature is particularly beneficial if your SVGs are intended for use with cutting machines, which require precise cut paths without extra backgrounds. Once you've ensured all settings are to your liking, go ahead and click Download once more. Doing this will download your file directly onto your computer. After these steps, you'll now have a .svg file ready to be uploaded to your Etsy shop. You're now prepared to offer unique digital products that creators will love. Remember, a well-designed SVG can be a big hit on Etsy, appealing to a broad audience from hobbyists to professional crafters. So go ahead and take this newfound knowledge to create impressive SVG files that will stand out in the marketplace. Thank you for joining me on this creative journey.